In today's video, we're diving into an extraordinary cosmic event that's unfolding right now. A tiny asteroid, 2024 RW1, is on a collision course with Earth. But before you start panicking, there's something you need to know. This asteroid, only about 3 feet, 1 meter wide, will burn up harmlessly as it enters Earth's atmosphere. So while the impact is real, it's not the catastrophic event you might imagine. Now let's break down what's happening. Just this morning, research technologist Jacqueline Fazekas, working with the NASA-funded Catalina Sky Survey, spotted this small space rock hurtling towards Earth. This makes 2024 RW1 only the 9th asteroid ever detected before it hits our planet, marking another milestone in planetary defense efforts. The asteroid is expected to strike Earth's atmosphere today at approximately 12:46 p.m. ET, 1646 GMT, directly above the western Pacific Ocean, near Luzon Island in the Philippines. As it plunges through the atmosphere, it will ignite, potentially creating a fireball visible from the east coast of the Philippines. However, there's a catch. A nearby tropical storm, Yagi Enteng, could obscure this fiery show, making it difficult to see from the ground. While this event poses no danger, it highlights the growing importance of planetary defense. Space agencies worldwide are ramping up efforts to track and catalog near-Earth objects. NASA's DART mission, which successfully altered the trajectory of an asteroid in 2022, and the planned NEO Surveyor infrared telescope are just a few examples of how seriously this threat is being taken. China is also joining the effort, planning its own asteroid deflection mission by 2030. So, while today's asteroid impact won't cause any harm, it's a powerful reminder of the potential dangers lurking in space. Planetary defense is not just science fiction. It's an essential field of study that could one day save our planet. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this and other cosmic events. Thanks for watching.